Elanasis.
Welcome to Elanasis. On today's Elanasis I will show you 4 Giant Creatures Part 2. You will see 4 new creatures that were even bigger than the biggest creature in the previous video. This is Nelly the elephant. In the previous video he was the largest land-dwelling animal. Nelly the elephant is a typical African elephant. He can weigh up to 6,000 kilos and be over 3 meters tall. This is a humpback whale. It is a type of baleen whale and it lives almost entirely off of tiny animals called krills. A typical humpback whale weighs around 36,000 kilos and they can grow to be 12 to 15 meters in length. A typical humpback whale has the mass of around 6 elephants. Sperm whales are the largest predator on Earth. A male sperm whale can weigh over 50,000 kilograms and is known to dive down deep underwater to catch its prey, which is usually giant squid. They can grow to be over 20 meters long also. A typical male sperm whale can weigh as much as 10 African elephants. They are about a third bigger than humpback whales. This is a fin whale or finback whale. It is the second largest animal on Earth. They often grow to over 25 meters long and weigh over 100,000 kilos. A typical finback whale weighs as much as 2 sperm whales. This is a blue whale. It is the largest animal on Earth. It is also believed to be larger than all the dinosaurs and all the previous extinct animals that ever lived. It is so big it even dwarfs the next nearest animals to it in size. It's not unusual for a blue whale to weigh over 160,000 kilos. There are a few blue whales that have been known to grow much bigger than that, maybe closer to 200,000 kilos. Many blue whales often grow over 30 meters long, around 31 or 30 and a half, or up to 30 meters, and slightly over. Well, let me give you a sense of perspective on the sheer size of this gigantic animal. It's not unusual for a typical adult blue whale to weigh more than 25 elephants. Adult blue whales often weigh around the same as 4 or 5 humpback whales. Blue whales are so big that they are more than double the size of the next biggest animal on Earth, the finback whale. There is no animal that comes close to the size of a blue whale. They're absolutely enormous. Blue whales grow more than twice the length of the typical London double-decker red bus and are many times heavier. In order to match the sheer mass of a blue whale, you'd need to find a hall filled with over 2,000 people. My hope is that the blue whale species is here to stay for the generations to come and in the near future. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, I say goodbye.